Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a review of this keyboard. It's from Flipkart SmartBuy. It's a K931T Bluetooth wireless keyboard. This is in sky blue color. You get it for 2,999 rupees and I got it for 1,199. It You get different colors like black, navy blue. The build quality is strong and it's a bit heavy. I don't know how. Then there is button for to switch it on off, and there is that sound of keys also that you can get with this. But if you all don't like it, then this keyboard you should not buy. Like when you type you get the sound of keyboard. This is how it looks. It's a bit heavy, but I really liked it because you can put your tab and all your mobile, whatever you're using. Then this is the back side where you get that adapter also inside, and batteries. So you just need to put it for laptop and use. So this is the adapter. I like the sound of those keys, so that's why I purchased this one. But if you're someone who doesn't like that, then definitely go for other ones. There is one more from Flipkart SmartBuy, which you get a combo pack of a mouse and a keyboard for just like 750 rupees. That is also wireless, I think. You get different setting options also on this. So like this, you can keep your tab. I'll leave down the link to this in the description box so you can check it out if you like.